How to share screen on PS5. So first of all, you're going to want to get your PlayStation 5 controller. Then you'll want to click the button on the controller, this one here, the top left hand corner. Then you'll want to go ahead and scroll to the right hand side where it says share screen. Click on that, then you can change the settings of the screen share. So if you want to invite other people, you can go ahead and click on invite players. Go ahead and click on the person's name, click OK. You can add up to 16 people you can share screen with. There's a couple of other settings there. You can request to join, do a play limit, etc. But once you're done, click start share screen, then click on OK. Then once you've done that, it will start sharing. You can go ahead and do whatever you want on the screen, and then once you're done, go ahead and click that button again. Then you want to scroll along to share screen, then click on stop share screen, click yes, and then it will stop sharing. That's the full process. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.